Hello my friends, and this time we'll take a detailed look at this 2013 Jeep Compass Altitude. It is equipped with heated outside mirrors, power locks, power windows with one touch-down feature on the driver's side and power mirrors, manual closed seats, all black interior, and now let's try to start it up. It does have a remote start, and on this key it is the button in the middle. Three-spoke leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control located on the front part. Chrysler Uconnect system, which includes AM/FM radio, CD, and MP3. Continuously variable automatic transmission with manual shiftability. Middle console with two integrated cup holders and a parking brake. Middle console storage with the tray on the top and a 110-volt outlet on the front. Vehicle traction and heated seat control. Glove box, it's almost half from what it looks from outside. Heated front bucket seats. Manually tilt steering wheel column. And now let's open the hood and see the engine. This 2013 Jeep Compass Altitude, equipped with 2.4-liter inline-4 engine with variable valve timing that produces 172 horsepower and 165 foot-pounds of torque. MPGs are 23 in the city, 27 highway. It is equipped with 18-inch aluminum wheels with anti-lock 4-wheel disc brakes, halogen headlamps. Now let's take a look at the back seat. Speed-sensitive power locks and tinted windows for the back passengers. My height is 6'2", and sitting right behind myself, this is how much of a legroom I have. Two cup holders on the floor right between two passengers. And now let's take a look at the trunk. It is manual liftgate, 40/60 collapsible back seat, compact sized spare tires hidden under the floor with a hand jack inside. Alright guys, that was my short tour of 2013 Jeep Compass Altitude. I hope you liked this video, leave your requests and comments below, and see you next time.